Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a barcode in Excel. First, open a blank Excel sheet and create two columns, one titled text and the other barcode. In the text column, enter the alphanumeric data you want to convert into barcodes. Now, select the text column and right-click and choose Format Cells. Under Number, select Text to prevent Excel from altering numbers. For example, converting them to specific notation or removing leading zeros. In the first cell of the barcode column, enter the following formula. This assumes the data starts in A2. If your data starts elsewhere, adjust accordingly, and the asterisk indicates that the start and end of the barcode data. After entering the formula in the first row, drag the fill handle, which is the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, down to copy the formula for the rest of the rows. Now select the barcode column and from the font menu change the font to the barcode font you've installed, like Code 39. The data in the barcode column will now appear as barcodes. Continue entering alphanumeric data in the text column and the barcode column will automatically generate corresponding barcodes. This method will let you quickly generate barcodes in Excel using a barcode font. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.